Happy morning everyone. This is Doc Del once again and welcome to Il Paraiso. This morning, I am going to continue presenting to you the remaining 5 special orchid collections that I have here at Il Paraiso. But before that, for those who are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe and then hit the notification bell so that if I have new videos relating to growing and cultivating orchids, you will be notified. First, from the remaining 5 special collections that I have here at Il Paraiso is this Vanda Manisaki. Okay, so this is one of the orchids here at Il Paraiso that I consider my special collection. So I purchased this from Ma'am Raquel Orchids of Davao, and when I purchased this is a small in size because this is a kiki. Okay, so I consider this as one of the precious orchids here at Il Paraiso because not all orchid collectors have owned this Vanda Manisaki, and I hope that I could be able to continue growing this so that 2 to 3 years from now this will give me beautiful flowers. The next Vanda is this. This is a tricolor Vanda, and this has been purchased from Sir Michael Macaraig of Jensan, General Santos City. So at first this was mounted in a driftwood. However, I observed that hindi siya tumutubo ng mabuti doon sa driftwood. That's why I decided her to put in a black square pot. And try to look at this. Down under, there are already kikis that started to grow. And I hope that I could be able to provide more of this here at Il Paraiso because according to Sir Carl, this has been purchased when he was in Indonesia. So I hope that here in the Philippines we could be able to produce more of this so that we could be able to share this one as well to other orchid collectors. Okay, so this is a tricolor Vanda. Next is this Philippine Vanda Mariae. Okay, so this is one of the newest added collection here at Il Paraiso, and try to look at this. There are already stable roots, and down under you could be able to observe lots of root tips that started to grow. Okay, so actually this has been purchased from Purification Orchids, and this is one of the 3 purchased orchids from Purification Orchids. Try to look at the physical condition of this Vanda. Very lush, and from the time that I received this one, there are already dead spikes, so meaning to say this Vanda has been already bloomed. So I hope that this will rebloom for the first time here at Il Paraiso. And No, I am happy to see this one because the roots are growing healthy and stronger. So this is the Philippine Vanda Mariae. Next is this Vanda Manila. Okay, so this is a Vanda Manila, and with the help of Sir Jonaldo Palpagal, I purchased this from Ma'am Christine Balani of Antipolo, Rizal. Okay, so this is also one of the newest added collection here at Il Paraiso, and I want you to see the mother roots. There are already new root tips that started to grow healthy and strong. And if you try to look at this, okay, so a healthy root has started to fix on the black square pot. Okay, so still the leaves of the Vanda, the leaves of this Vanda is very green and lush. Okay, so I hope that this will continue to grow here so that I could be able to have this one. Vanda Manila is one of the Vandas that the Vanda collectors, they have this to, or they wanted this to have. However, when we talk about this, because Vanda Manila is one of the rare Vandas here in the Philippines, that's why this is one of the pricey Vandas here in the Philippines. So I am so happy to have this one. I am so happy to have this one because when this arrived here at Il Paraiso, this actually added to my collections. So that's why I consider this as one of the special orchids that I have here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so, and the last one is this low snary. Okay, so this is a Vanda low snary, and try to figure out the roots. We have here an excellent rooting system, and there are also root tips that started to grow on the mother roots. And I want you to focus inside, no, try to focus inside. There are new root tips. Okay, big unhealthy root tips that started to fix on the black pot, and some also are started to crawl. Okay, so try to look at this. No, this is one of the precious orchids that I have here at Il Paraiso. So I would like to say thank you to Sir CJ, because he was the one who requested me to feature my special orchids here at Il Paraiso. That's why I am presenting you the 10 special orchid collections here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so if you try to look at this, this is the low snary. Okay, so, and this is also purchased from Purification Orchids. Okay, so this is also one of the 3, because during that time I ordered Philippine Vanda Mariae, Ostii, and this low snary. Okay, so thank you so much, Sir Jonaldo Palpagal, for introducing me this rare Vandas that we have here in the Philippines. So that's why I have already this Vandas here at Il Paraiso. Okay, so try to look at this. So this morning I provided you the 5 additional special orchid collections that I have here at Il Paraiso, in order for us to complete the 10 special collections. So this morning I introduced to you the 5, namely the Vanda Manisaki, second the Vanda Tricolor, third the Vanda Marier, okay, the Philippine Vanda Marier, and Vanda Manila, no, this Vanda Manila, and the last one is this Vandalo Snary. Okay, so if you try to look at this, all of the Vandas that I have here at Il Paraiso, they are so healthy. Okay, that's why thank you so much for this aggressive feeding tree, credited to Sir Vicente Chin of Vanda Enthusiast Philippines. Okay, so actually this mix of fertilizers really helps the orchid grower to thrive all their orchids in the garden or in their farm. Okay, so those are the second part, no, or this is the second part of the introduction of the special collection, no, orchid collections here at Il Paraiso. So I would like to say thank you so much to all the viewers, to all the subscribers who continue patronizing this channel, Dukdil TV, and thank you so much as well to all the people who people behind the creation of this channel. And I hope that time will come, we will be able to grow this channel, and this channel will be reached by millions of Filipinos here in the Philippines, not only in the Philippines but outside Philippines. Okay, so I think this is only for now, and what I want to say here is thank you so much for watching. God bless, bye bye, and stay safe everyone. Until next time.